purchase order. So similar to that, it's ME21N. Okay, transaction code is different. I think PRPO screen are same, so there won't be difference between both the screen. Only difference is the PR will be used internally, PO will be used to send to vendor. That's the
Internal
difference.
documents.
Yeah, it's a legal document.
Right.
That is the internal document. Okay, we have the same structure. Okay, no change here. So here also we have personal settings. Okay, here also we can default the values.
Mm.
And this I information, this is a help button. Okay, where we can see the help related to the transaction. This I button. So this one, we had document overview, right? This document overview screen will be used like a report. There also we can create a report to reference any already existing purchase order. Okay, that they are showcasing here.
Mm.
So in the document overview, we have option to get the PR or PO contract. Okay, which are created by uh, us or which is created by other users also. Okay,
Okay.
that we can display it and we can sort it the however we want, whether it's based on the PO number or it based on the vendor or based on the material or plant. Okay, like that we can uh, change the layout. Okay, the change layout option also will be available. This is the tree where we can get the report, and this is where we can this is where we can update the layout. Okay, here we can change the fields, which fields is required to be displayed or not displayed. Okay, that can be selected by using this button. Okay, same thing which are explained below. So once we have the details, we can either press this button. This is a copy button. So the specific PO which we have selected, that would be copied into the as a reference. Okay, to create a new PO, or we can drag and drop this reference this one data into this shopping cart button, so that data will be copied into the new PO. Okay, so like that we can also reference using document overview. Okay, in
Okay.
the whole documents which are available. And here sometimes the question what they ask is some of the documents which are displayed here, right? Here we can display the PR, RFQ, contract, scheduling agreement,
Mm.
purchase acquisition. All these we can display here, okay, by searching. The thing is, we can see required daily work. Okay, this will be displayed. To display purchase order or production from the document, double click on the relevant dot. Yeah, sometimes they will ask. Now, once you double click on the PR or PO, whether it will be displayed or we can edit it like that. If you
It will
simply
be.
double click on, yeah, if you simply double click on is maybe consider this PO is already showing in the document overview 26, 45,
Right.
26. If we just double click on it, it only displays the document. We cannot do anything. We cannot
Mm.
copy or nothing. Okay,
Mm.
sometimes that question they will ask. Only when we can add the data is if we either we need to copy it or either we need to drag drop to the shopping cart. Then
Okay.
only we can use that as a reference. Okay, otherwise we can only display and we can see the data of PR and PO. But for
Okay.
other purchase document like RFQ, schedule agreement, and contract, it is not possible to call the display transaction by the way double clicking on document number. So only for PR and PO we can do that. In case if I display even RFQ, I cannot even display it. It won't. It will show the number here, but I
Mm.
cannot see the because RFQ or contracts they are not compatible with the screen, right? That's why they
Okay.
we cannot display it. You got it right. PRPO screen are looks similar.
Okay.
So if I double click on it, it will show the data because the screen is compatible to that. right?
Hmm.
Data which is available. But quotation screen is different. It is not similar to PR or PO. So contact screen is also different, right? So that's why we can only display those documents in the document overview, but we cannot double click. Even if we double click, it won't show because
Okay.
the data is not compatible to show in the,
Display.
yeah, in the
These
transaction.
document types are not compatible to each other. That is what we are saying.
Uh-huh. PRPO
Okay.
is compatible because
Hmm.
they have the similar structure, no change
Hmm.
between the structure of ME21 and ME51N. But contract and quotation structures are same, not same, right? Similar, not similar to ME21.
Hmm.
So that's why they won't
In
display.
fact,
Okay.
their screens are also different because that is the basic screen. ME31K
Uh-huh.
is for the
Right,
basic
right.
screen of contract where you need to
Mm-hmm.
provide data in various screen. And these
Correct, correct,
enjoy
correct.
transactions of PR and PO,
Yeah.
they are the single screen where in each, I mean, in single screen you provide data in each tabs.
Mm-hmm. Correct, correct.
So that
So
is
like,
probably the
yeah.
compatibility
Correct,
problem.
correct. Yeah, like that you have to remember so that if they ask questions like that,
Hmm.
they may ask what are the documents you can display by double clicking the options they give: PR, PO, contract, and this one, a quotation.
Quotation.
They
So
mention maybe
only
two correct
PR,
answers.
PR
Uh,
and PA.
PO, yeah, like that.
Okay, sir.
So earlier I showed it here. This button specifies what documents we can select. This button specifies how the layout will be available. Okay, this we can use to break down the this one, the data which is coming in the
Hmm.
document overview. Okay, so that's how we can user can see the data which is already available. Okay, in the overview screen. Okay, same which I explained here. Okay, you just read once. Think this is same thing. Yeah, same thing which they are showing here. Yeah, we can add or delete fields which need to be there. Just using this button, we can add any extra details if we need to see. Okay. Default, there'll be some fields will be available. If we need to add or remove, so what fields we require in the report that we can move it, okay, or remove it like that. This is PO creation. So creation of PO is not, but I just wanted to see if they are showing the document overview. So that will be helpful. Otherwise, PO creation is not required. So here, like that, we can select the different documents here using this button. Okay, this is called flower button. Actually, you can see this is, looks like a flower.
Hmm.
Okay, so all these documents we can display from here. Purchase order, request for quotation, contract. Okay, like that. I'm selecting PR here. So it comes like this. We can select the different options. We can put filters. Okay, what documents or what plant, what company code data it should display. So based on the criteria, it will gives us the result. So they are saving it as a variant, okay, to use it in the future. So then execute. So now the PRs which are assigned, open and released with purchase group Z01. So all PRs has to display here. So only two are there. Okay, like that it will display. So using other buttons, we can maybe add some more details, or we can change the layout that we can do. Yeah. So in the breakdown, we can you can see, yeah, what level if you want to see detail that we can add here. Now the material is not visible. We can add material. plant is not visible, we can add plant. Okay, like that.
Hmm.
So fixed vendor, they've added here. Okay, the select layout, we can choose the layout. So now they are saving as a layout. So earlier it was showing only PR number. Okay, now you can see it is coming based on the fixed vendor. So other data also it displays. If I click on this button, okay, that
Hmm.
arrow, so other details will show here below that. So now they are adapting. Okay, so adopt means we can referencing it so that all the data is copied. So using that PR, we can create a PO. So they've created a PO. PO is created with reference. So now clicking on this button, I button, also arrow, we can see the details. Yeah. So this shows us just that double click on this PR number. So now the PR is displayed, not PO. So you can see for that PR, PO is created. That's the status at the moment.
So my question is, I've seen that for PR, each subsequent document does not get displayed in the status. So suppose there is a PR, I've created a contract with respect to that PR or
Hmm.
created a quotation, and following that quotation, I have created a contract and then PO. So all the status are not visible in the status tab. They only does display that quotation. Why is such so?
No, that's the functionality. Generally, I have not seen quotation, uh, but yeah, I have seen PO, GR and IR that is displayed here. That's what I have seen. If
Okay.
quotation is also coming, yeah, that I have not seen. Yeah, that's how they have designed actually. Maybe contract those, maybe if they're created with reference to PR, I think then it will display, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. If they, because contract means uh, they cannot create with the normal PR. There should be a contract acquisition this document. If they use that document type, then only I think that will show here.
Hmm.
Yeah, normal requisition is different. Contract requisition is different.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Then only it will show us show the things, other things.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.